Help section is your go-to help for using this personal relationship manager. All your data is saved at these 6 places: all contacts, greetings, meetings, categories, professions, and occasions. Let us look at all contacts first. This is where you will add all your contacts. Name, category, profession, gender, email ID, phone number, address, and social media accounts are needed to add a contact. These details will be used later. You can set a greeting to set of people for any occasion here. Enter relevant details and your greeting will be set. Finally, meetings. Add agenda, date and time, status, select contact person, category, profession, and end notes at the end of a meeting are required to set a meeting. Once you set a meeting or greeting, you will be able to see them on a main page. Note that categories, professions and occasions used in contact entry are from these lists. You can view all your contacts by profession here. Very easy to find the person you need. Similarly, by category can also be utilized. All your recently finished meetings details and the end notes in the meetings that acts as an update will be visible here. Find your upcoming greetings with detail here in next month greetings section. In all meetings, you can see today's meetings with date, time, and person. Same for tomorrow's and next 2 months' meetings. Stay connected with all your people with this personal relationship manager. Get this personal relationship manager along with other free and premium Notion templates from the link in the description. Thank you.